there is a constant exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide taking place between plants and animals. Click on oxygen and we are off to learn more about it. Oxygen is a gas. All animals need oxygen to survive. Plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Animals inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide during respiration. Carbon dioxide is also a gas, just like oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This is how the oxygen carbon dioxide cycle continues. As long as enough animals and plants live close together, there will be enough oxygen and carbon dioxide for animals and plants to survive. Humans require oxygen more than water and food. So, oxygen is essential for us to survive. Similarly, carbon dioxide is essential for plants. Click Next.